Hi everyone. In this video we are going to discuss MS Word practical number 21 and 22 together. So in the practical 21, so you want to create the equation. So in the MS Word you can simply create the mathematical equations. So there are under the insert tab there is called equations. So by using this equation you can create the new equations. So just insert new equation. So here will begins with the first equation. Okay, so just go to equation, insert new equation. Once you inserted these type of equations, you will be get the symbols and fractions scripts likewise. So here for the first equations I need the script. So the super subscript, both script I need together. So just superscript and subscript together. So then thereafter multiplication symbol. So I want to insert the multiplication symbol, again superscript subscript together. So now you can see, so the particular place given, I want to type A, then 5, then 1, again A, then 2, then 1. Okay, so just click out of the equation, you will be get the equation. If you want to increase the font size of this equation, you can increase like that. The alignment you can align like this, left alignment, you will be get the left aligned equations. So the first equation we have created. So thereafter just I am going to do these equations. So just go to insert equations, insert new equations. So by looking those equations you can easily get the structure. So which structure of the equation you want to have. So here I want to have that integral. So I have taken from here. Okay, so this is the suitable one. So then here inside that integrals I want to have these, then thereafter these. So first you want to develop the structure of the equations. So here thereafter I want to have the pi. So you can select the pi from here. Then after that here 2. Then again you want to have pi, again 6. So then sign and other things, two way you can get. Once if you want you can type, or else you can get it from here. So script we need to have, then you can type. So sign, then 4, again x dot, let's see, cos x dot dx. Like this way you can complete this 21. But in the 22 also there are some equations. So first we'll see the equation 1 in the 22. So just enter. Insert equations, insert new equation. So you want to find the structure of that equation. Okay, so once you found that structure of that equation, here n equal, then particular symbol, then n equal 1. So then thereafter within bracket. Again you want to have the scripts, superscript x square plus again script x cube, then you can close the bracket. Similar way you can complete these equations also, but here for something new for you, the matrices. So here if you want to insert a matrix, there are way to insert equation, insert new equation, matrix. So here first I want to check, I want to have one 3 by 3 matrix, another one 3 by 4 matrix. So before that I want to have that script, so superscript, then inside that 3 by 3 matrix, where is that 3 by 3 matrix? Here 3 by 3 matrix are there. Before that I want to have the brackets, so normally you will get the brackets here, brackets are available. Then inside the bracket I want to have the 3 by 3 matrix. Here you can insert 3 by 3 matrix here. Then after that just insert the multiplication symbol. Thereafter again you want to insert a bracket. So here you want to insert a 3 by 4 matrices. So just insert. So there is no any 3 by 4 matrix in the MS Word equations. So here you can insert the 3 by 3 matrix. So then after that just this matrix you can divide it as a 2, then you will be get the 3 by 4 matrix. So the template of the matrix all we have created. So after that just enter the data 1 1 0, again 1 0 1 0 1 1 3 into 3. Again 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. Three into 4. Like this way you can insert the matrices in the Word document. So similar way you can complete this worksheet also.